Hi, this is Mila, and this is going to be like a creative thing to use the materials that I have because I just finished making this SKELE-GROW and I have this container left from the green beads and I do have more liquid. So what I thought is, how about I try and put this in, and this way I can cure it and make it like another sort of mini potion. I'll use a spoon, not at all certain whether it will work, whether the holes big, small, whether I have enough liquid, but I'm gonna give it a go because honestly, why not? I have the materials and see, this far so good. I guess I just need to not go quickly, but other than that, because they do give us so much materials, it feels like a waste not using them, especially if it's pretty. So this way it'll be something that I can put on the wall of my potions room. I will continue doing this and I'll get back to you after. Okay, so I filled it up with the cap on and I kind of want to cure it before the beads move, but look, you can actually see the green beads. Like, this was a really good idea because it looks sparkly, it looks cute, you can see the green beads, so very happy. That was definitely like a good idea. Like, see, like, look, can you see it? I'm trying to put it at the correct angle, but you can definitely see the beads in there. It's quite lovely. And there it is, all cured. You can see the beads, it's sparkly, it's lovely. I'm reusing a container, so very happy. This way I'm not wasting. And yeah, that was a success. So I'm very happy with this part of my creativity. I will put it next to the SKELE-GROW because it does come from it. But that was like, I'm so proud of myself. That was like a stroke of genius. I'm basically like almost sort of kind of teaching a magical class. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!